What are the things to do in Doolin Village? If you are planning a trip to Ireland and want to know what to do in Doolin Village, you are in for a treat. This charming village in County Clare is a hub of culture and natural beauty. Let's take a closer look at the activities and sights that await you in Doolin. First, immerse yourself in the vibrant traditional Irish music scene. Doolin is often referred to as the traditional music capital of Ireland. You can find live music sessions in many local pubs throughout the year. Enjoy the sounds of talented musicians while sipping on a pint of Guinness. Next, do not miss the Cliffs of Moher, one of Ireland's most famous landmarks. These stunning cliffs stretch for 14 kilometers along the Atlantic coast and rise up to 214 meters high. You can hike the Doolin Cliff Walk, a scenic 10-mile round-trip trail that leads you to the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Center. This hike offers breathtaking views and a chance to learn more about the area. If you are feeling adventurous, consider taking a ferry from Doolin Pier to the Aran Islands. Moher is the largest and most popular island. Here, you can see ancient sites like Dun Angus and the Wormhole. Renting a bike is a great way to explore the rugged terrain and enjoy the coastal views. For nature lovers, Doolin Cave is a must-visit. It is home to the largest stalactite in Europe. Guided tours are available to show you this natural wonder, formed over hundreds of thousands of years. It is a fascinating experience that is perfect for anyone interested in geology. Another great activity is walking the Clare Coastal Walk and exploring the Burren region. This project includes trails along the coast near Doolin, offering opportunities for hiking and enjoying the unique limestone landscapes. Guided walking tours are also available to help you learn about the local flora, fauna, and archaeology. Finally, take some time to enjoy the village atmosphere. Doolin's piers are perfect for leisure activities and provide access for ferries. The village itself is known for its warm hospitality, making it an ideal spot to relax after your outdoor adventures. Doolin Village is an excellent base for anyone interested in traditional Irish music, stunning coastal scenery, and outdoor activities. With so much to see and do, you will surely have a memorable experience in this delightful part of Ireland.